How to get recovery phrase in Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to get the recovery phrase so that you could recover your account in the future. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in Phantom Wallet. And what we're first going to do is we're going to click on our account over here on the top left corner. Now over here, this is where your different accounts or wallets are listed. So simply identify a specific account that you want to get your recovery phrase from. So for example, we have our account number 1 over here. Simply click on the pencil icon, which is our black icon over here, and you can see here details about your account, and you can see here below that you have the show secret recovery phrase. So simply select this option and click on I will not share my secret phrase with anyone including Phantom. So if you click on this, then click on continue, the secret phrase for your Phantom wallet or account should appear for you. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.